In DigiHealth Specialists, we strive to make advanced technology affordable and accessible to all. That is what the DigiHealth ATM is all about, to make sure that the latest technological innovation in healthcare is made available to everyone, especially to the most disadvantaged class of our society. We hope that you will join us in our advocacy in making every Filipino healthy and well.
Good afternoon. I am Dr. Hazel Palmes, the Provincial Health Officer 2 of the province of Catanduanes. So my insight pertaining to the telehealth being introduced to our province is that it is so helpful in a manner that it can help us deliver health services in the most efficient way. So being an integration site for the universal healthcare poses a challenge for us to deliver services down the line. So with this technology, we are hopeful that we can improve the delivery of services so that our population will be able to feel really the services at the community level. So given the demonstration, we have seen how fast and efficient the services are provided, and nakita din po namin dito na napakabilis at magiging magiging kaibsan po sa trabaho ng aming mga health workers, knowing na napakarami pong paperwork. So sa paperworks pa lang, napakalaking tulong na po dahil napakabilis po kasi meron silang electronic health records. So itong record na ito nakakabawas na po sa kanilang trabaho dahil kasi from manual to digital. So, at ito po ay nakakatulong sa pag-track ng patient, at the same time, makita yung real-time na lab result ng patient para pong dito po sa baba pa lang makakapag-decide sila sino sa mga pasyente na kailangang i-refer po sa specialist or doctor. So, pag sinabi mo kasing universal healthcare, kailangan po sa baba pa lang ramdam na nila na may serbisyo, na hindi na nila kailangang pumila ng matagal, at kailangan nila po sa amin po kasi kailangan mo pang pumunta sa sentro para pong magpapadiagnostics. With this, na po kaagad-agad si midwife empowered na siya. Nakita na niya yung resulta. So, ibig sabihin, limited na po yung aakyat sa RHU para pong pipila na naman for another consultation. And on the side of the patient po, hindi na po siya kailangang mag-queue pa or pabalik-balikin para sa result. So really, this will translate services po na talagang maramdaman na mabilis, epesyente, tipid at advanced.
Ito po, nakikita namin dyan sa ATM na yan. Hindi na po sila mahihirapang pumunta sa mga health center, mga RHUs. Kasi po, dyan, lahat na pong mga gusto nilang malaman, lalo sa kanilang mga sakit, andyan na po lahat. Madali na po silang makaka-access ng mga gusto nilang maalaman, lalong-lalo na sa kanilang mga karamdaman po. Diyan po, madali na lang makikita nila lahat ng mga exams, mga laboratory results, saka yung kanilang mga sakit, madali na nilang malalaman.
Okay naman kasi, kumbaga, although parang you undergo the usual test naman sa kung pupunta ka sa doktor kasi may, di ba, may mga gadget naman eh. So parang ano rin lang, parang pupunta ka lang sa doktor, kaya lang machine ang gumagawa, di po ba? And then as to the result naman, expected ko kasi mayroon naman talaga akong nararamdaman. So expected ko yung result na lumabas sa BP and then dun sa diabetes yung sa ano. At expected ko talaga yun because ano talaga, mayroon naman talaga akong nararamdaman. So okay naman yung ano, okay yung result. Mas madali eh. Kasi lahat na nang nire-require yata pag nagpapa-blood game ka, ano naman, pinoprovide naman ng machine.
I'm Eric Rodriguez, the present Municipal Vice Mayor of the Municipality of Pandan. I was so amazed of this DJ Health ATM that was introduced to us today. And this is an opportunity for our municipality to have one for our RHU in our aim for modernization. And this is actually good for the employees to know better their health status because we want to have a healthy personnel in our municipality.
DigiHealth ATM. Advanced, affordable, and accessible. Especially designed for rural health units and barangay health centers to help provide universal health care for all Filipinos. Pagtulungan po natin itaguyod ang kalusugan ng bawat Pilipino. Maraming salamat po.